Welcome back to my channel. Well, the topic that I have selected today is how to follow everyone on Instagram at once. So, before going into the details, let's go to the Instagram. I will open the Instagram and you can see that I don't have any following. I don't have any people to whom I am following. So for learning purposes, I am going to follow a couple of the people and going to show you how the process works. So I have a few people which are actually appearing as suggestions. I'm going to follow them. This is okay. Third one, fourth. Okay, let's see all and follow a couple of others as well. Okay, this is few people that I have actually now followed. Now you can see that I am following actually 9 people. So to unfollow everyone at once on Instagram, there's no option at Instagram with which you can use. We can actually we can use this trick or the tip using the third-party applications, and both on the Android as well as the iOS platform. There are a number of the applications, but on the iOS platform today I am going to let you know an application, that is this one, Unfollowers application. So first of all, I will let you know that you will have to go to App Store, open the App Store, and you will actually write Unfollowers. Okay, search it. You will see a number of the apps appearing, but I have tried and most of them won't work. So this is Unfollow for Instagram or Unfollowers. This is the app. I have already downloaded this app, so I don't need to download it again. You can see this is the app. Okay, I will now go back and open this app. As soon as I open this is kind of an interface. Okay, I have already logged in. You will actually simply log in your Instagram details into this and you will get this kind of dashboard. You can see there are 9 followers which I just followed. Basically there are 2 types of this platform. One is free and the other is paid. I'm using the free one. Here I will check the followings and I can see the number. So to unfollow, I will simply press. Okay, and this is, I have unfollowed 8 people. You can see you will need to refresh this. Updated after 2 hours. Okay. Oh, it's giving me some kind of warning, but let's go back and see to the Instagram what it says. Okay, here it says I'm only following no 1 people. All those people have been unfollowed now, and it hardly took me few seconds. If it had been 100 or 200 people, I would have just unfollowed them by clicking or tapping on them. Whereas if you want to select one and press all, this app also provides that option as well. So here is this. It's actually paid and you have to pay £4 or $5 per week, and then you can get the subscription, and even it provides a 3 days trial as well. So you can order that and you will just simply select the people and just hit the button and you will unfollow them. So it's up to you which the option you wish to use. It actually works. So you can see again, look, it's only, yeah, this is only one Taylor Swift which I am following. So this was a very simple tip or the trick which you can use to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Thank you very much. Hope you have liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel to see more such type of videos. Thank you very much.